Alright guys, I'm sitting here at Sweet Peas and it's raining and I got nothing to do. I'm thinking about going fishing. It's not raining that hard, it's kind of just a light sprinkle, then it gets hard at times, but I'm bored and I think the fish might be biting good. And I'm afraid after we get all this rain today and tomorrow, it's probably gonna mess the rivers up, so I'd like to get out there, see if I can't catch a few, even if I don't last that long, maybe catch a couple. But I don't know. I'll let you know. I'm gonna be driving by it here in a minute. If I decide to go, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, just made it out here. I'm decided to fish for a little bit, and there's a lot of people over here, and I don't understand why. I don't know. There's a guide. I think he's a guide or something. They said on back of the truck, a stream guide. I don't know. We'll go back and meet him, I guess. But I'm heading back in there. Probably fish for about an hour. We'll see how many fish I can catch in an hour. Alright guys, I'm out here, got all set up. Fishing with worm on that one and contact on my other one. There's people out here and I didn't think there would be. It's raining like hell. Soaked up. Big ass perch. Yeah, pretty solid. This looks like a peacock bass. First perch of the year. There you go, get back. Caught on the old Nightcrawler slip sinker rig. Get baited up, get back out there. Another bite here. That was a bite. He must have ran right into his fly. Well, guys, it's pouring down the rain, and the spot I was wanting to fish is taken, so that sucks. They're just all piled right up in the corner. Feel sorry for the one boy up there. I know them other guys just must have piled right on top of them. Which that is pretty much the only spot you can catch fish up on that wall. You gotta be able to cast towards the spillway. You can't cast up towards it. It's hard to catch any fish up there. There's no way I could. There's 3 people fishing up through there. I couldn't get a cast up in there. So it comes down to the spot that works in the winter, but I don't think it's that good this time of year. I don't know why, but it's not. We're gonna have a talking to the guy, and I work here, and he said that there's been more traffic than ever this year at this spot. He said if they keep getting a lot of traffic, they're going to have to stop people from fishing it. And that sucks. Which I know some people there. I think I could probably get permission to still come back in here. because I know a few people that work there, and one guy's like the boss, so I think I could probably still get in here. If not, I know back way. It's like 2 miles, but I'd have to take it to fish this spot. They're going to shut it down. He said people come in waves. You can tell it's affecting the fishing. It's affecting it pretty good. Nothing I can do though. I do get kicked out. I just hate to see it come to that. People come back here and they throw garbage, do a bunch of dumb shit. They ain't liking it. Can't blame them when people littering, but the people that don't litter, I don't know why. Well, it would be our fault, but one person ruins it for everybody, or a few people ruins it for everybody. So now we just hope we get to keep fishing it. I've been fishing this spot since I was like 8 years old. Long time. There ain't no fish. It's like they're all up right next to the spillway. That's why I like fishing in February and early March. No one's fishing yet. Man, it is really pouring it down out here. I think I'm about to call it quits. I like to fish, but I ain't stupid. Only thing would be worth it today would be a record. I highly doubt that's going to happen. Hasn't happened in 25 years. Yep, that's it. I'm going to give one more cast well, I don't know. I'm done. I ain't fishing this. Find a good spot maybe for a little bit. So. Wasting my time. I didn't think anybody would be out here, and this place is packed. I don't even want to see what it gets like when the weather gets nice over here. I know they're going to shut this place down. I don't know. Very disgusted today, but did manage to catch a perch. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and walk out of here. I'll see y'all when we get to the Jeep. Alrighty, I made it back to the Jeep. I'm soaking wet. I know it was pretty nasty evening. I should have probably just stayed at home, but I decided to come out and try it, and did end up catching one perch. It was a pretty good sized perch. I think that was my first perch I caught this year, but so I was kind of happy about that, but I didn't get the spot, and like I said, it wasn't a very good day because I ran into one of the guys at work here, and he acts like they're going to stop people from coming back in here and fishing if it keeps on getting as much traffic. I guess there's tons of people. It's just coming in and walking past that coal mine, but I don't know. Hopefully that don't happen, and if it does, hopefully they still let me and Cameron, because we've been fishing it since we was kids, and we know like 3 or 4 of the guys that work here, so hopefully we'd still get a fish, but who knows, we might not even get a fish no more. Hopefully it just slows down a little bit, the traffic. I don't know why so many people's fishing it, but I don't know. I'm gonna head on home, and thank you guys for watching, and if you can, leave a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.